Welcome to class of problems, practical and practical PNP NP complete part 2. So in last lecture we have discussed about the NP completeness. Now it is also proved by the Cook that the first NP complete problem is set problem. So there are two ways to show the NP completeness of any problem. So we have already discussed that in earlier slide. First way is to check whether all the NP problems are reducible to the given problem, or the second way, which is generally more easy, that is, as set problem is already declared as the problem is already declared as the NP complete problem. So if you can reduce this problem to the current problem, then it will becomes NP complete. So same thing is written here. Reduce an arbitrary problem y in NP to x. So let A be a non-deterministic polynomial time algorithm for y. Convert A to a circuit so that y is a yes instance if and only if the circuit is satisfiable. So in short, the set problem is trying to solve the problem A, and we can say that it is reducible to set problem, and hence we can say that it is a NP complete problem. Now what is a set problem and what do you mean by satisfiability? So basically we will start from the concept. So satisfiability means given a Boolean formula, does there exist a truth assignment to the variables to make the expression true? Now here we are talking about the Boolean expression, which is only taking input as 1 or 0, and they are built from variables and constants using operators and or and not. So constants are true and false, that is 1 or 0 value, represented by 1 and 0 respectively. We will use concatenation, that is juxtaposition, or in some notations dot operator is used, which is indication of AND operation. Plus is for OR and minus is for NOT. So the simple Boolean expression is given in this slide. This is one expression which is composed of OR, NOT and dot operator, that is juxtaposition. So if we are able to make this particular expression true by assigning some values to x and y, then we can say that this total expression is satisfiable. So parentheses can be used at will and are needed to modify the precedence order. Not is having the highest, then and then or. So the satisfiability problem in short said as SAT problem. Study of Boolean function generally is concerned with set of truth assignments of 0 or 1 to each of the variables that make the function true. NP completeness need only a simpler question. Set, does there exist a truth assignment making the expression satisfiable? For example, set expression x plus y minus x plus minus y is satisfiable. We can prove this. So as per our discussion, this expression will be satisfiable for any of the value of x and y. This expression gives you the one value, that is true value. So there are two possibilities of x and y combination. Since these two values with the opposite values can make this expression true, so one case we can consider x is equal to 0, y equals to 1, and x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. So this expression will be satisfiable. but this expression will never be satisfied.